Hot this weekend. That's probably one of the bigger takeaways in the forecast is that we're going to be dealing with July-like heat. Temperatures well above what's considered average. We're talking widespread 90s and feeling like we're well into the 90s, especially by the time we head towards Saturday. We're going to get to those numbers, specific numbers in a moment. But out there today, it was a hot one, 87 degrees. We were 2 degrees above what's considered average. Nowhere near that standing record of 96, which was last set in 1971. But I agree with Jackie and Roxy. It is beautiful out there and temperatures are still warm. 86 Miami, 86 Fort Lauderdale, 83 at this hour in Key West. Coming up next, we're going to walk you through the rest of the weekend because I talked about the heat, but there's also rain in the forecast. Those details coming up in about 10 minutes. For the next couple of days, yes, we're going to need our sunglasses, we'll need the shorts, all of it, because it's going to be quite hot. We're going to be tracking temperatures in the 90s across most of the region. In fact, all of the region starting Friday, continuing through the start of the weekend. And then we will have cooler conditions by Sunday. That comes in with a cold front that is going to bring some much needed rain back to South Florida. 86 degrees Miami, 86 in Fort Lauderdale, low 80s down in the Keys. It feels like we're in the 90s, and that's because dew points are high. We'll continue with muggy weather straight through tonight. Temperatures down to 72, partly cloudy skies out there, winds nice and calm, seasonable, muggy. And that's how we kick off our Friday. I do want to bring this to your attention because tomorrow starts the first day of May. And average highs around this time of the year range between 85 to up to 88 degrees during the end of the month. The average lows range between 72 to 75. Notice the average rainfall, a little over 6 inches. We hope we can get some. And the truth is, rainy season starts May 15th. So we're about to approach the time of the year where it rains every day, and that will come up with our deficit that we've been dealing with so far this year as far as rain is concerned. Sea surface temperature this time of the year, low 80s, and of course the UV index extreme, which simply means it takes 10 to 15 minutes. That is it to get sunburned if you are in direct sunlight. So just take that with a grain of salt as we kick off a brand new month. And we kick it off dry for your Friday and Saturday, but then here comes the rain. Comes in with a cold front. It's going to bring a 60% chance on Sunday, then again on Monday, and then we will see rain chances begin to dwindle as we head towards Tuesday and Wednesday. So for the next couple of days, nice and dry. But watch what happens as I approach and move the clock into Saturday. A few clouds still dry. Notice the winds coming in out of the south. That's why Saturday is so hot. And then here comes the rain for Sunday. Most of it coming in the afternoon and denoted by those brighter returns. Some of it could be quite heavy. So we will have a round of heavy rain on Sunday, mostly coming in the afternoon. And then we do it all over again on Monday. Scattered afternoon thunderstorms here expected for the start of the week. And we're also going to see a nice tomorrow, beautiful end to the work week. A hot one as temperatures climb to 91 during the height of the afternoon. It's going to feel like we're well in the 90s. And then record heat for your Saturday. It's afternoon thunderstorms we're tracking on Sunday. Slightly cooler weather for Monday, but still unsettled with slightly drier conditions returning by Thursday.